Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes conducted by Education Department of Vijayanagaram. Okay, friends. Today we are going to learn a new topic. I don't want to reveal the topic first. Before going to the topic, you see a beautiful animation. Later we can have a beautiful discussion on this matter.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to ZPH School Jami. I am Swapna, leader of this class.
Good morning, students. Hello, Swapna. Did everyone come to class?
Yes, sir, but Sharma and Srinu are absent.
Okay, Swapna. You have to collect the following information from your classmates.
Okay, sure, sir.
Who is taller in the first bench?
Maunika is taller in the first bench, sir.
Who is the best scorer in the class in the FA1 exams?
Bharati is the best scorer in the class, sir.
Who is the fastest runner in the class?
Madhu is the fastest runner in our class, sir.
Who is the most beautiful girl?
Likita is the most beautiful girl.
Very well done, Swapna. Go and write the answers on the smart board now. Monica, can you sing a song?
Yes, sir, I can.
Well, then start singing.
There is a garden in my heart where beauty grows in fits and starts, where smiles petal petals from the flowers bestowed by others from their bowers.
Very good, Monica. Now, Madhu, can you sing a song for me?
Yes, sir, I will. There is a garden in my heart where beauty grows in fits and starts, where smiles are petals from flowers.
Good, Madhu. Now tell me, students, who has sung better?
Madhu has sung better than Monika, sir.
Okay, friends. Have you watched the animation? Do you like it? Yes, everybody likes, because in animation we enjoy the conversation taken by the cartoon figures. Okay, now you see who is taller in the first bench, Monica or Shruti. Here, teacher observed two girls sitting in the first bench. So now he wants to compare them. Who is taller? Either Monica or Shruti. What about Swapna's answer? Let you see. Monica is taller than Shruti. Okay. Here comparison is done by the Swapna and other students. They observe that Monica is taller than Shruti. Here two girls are compared with their height. Okay. Next you go. Who is the best scorer in the class? Recently they have conducted FA1 in the FA1 exam. In all subject, who is the best scorer? What about Swapna's answer? Is Raghu is the best scorer in the class. Here we have taken the group. The highest scorer name is Raghu. So it is a superlative form of an adjective. Best. Do you know? Good, better, best. It is the superlative. Best. Then you go to see. Who is the fastest runner in the class? In a running race, they observed. Who is the fastest runner? Madhu is the fastest runner in the class. The fastest, fastest. Okay? Now, who is more beautiful? Either Likita or Mahati? Yes. Likita is more beautiful than Mahati. Here, the first and last questions compared between the two persons. Middle questions, we have taken the group. So, whenever we compare the two or more things, we have to use different adjective forms. Okay, today's topic is degrees of comparison. Let me explain what is degrees of comparison. You see, the definition of degrees of comparison. Yes, an adjective of its quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another noun or another group is called degrees of comparison. Here, the adjective has different forms to compare two or more things. Now you see, according to our animation, we have different forms of adjectives. That is a positive form. Generally, it refers one thing. The second is comparative form. It refers at least two nouns. Later, we use superlative form. It is used in group. Here, some words are monosyllabic, some words are disyllabic, some words are polysyllabic. You see, mono means it has only one vowel sound in the word. In Telugu also, we can write it in Telugu. If you remove the full letter, the remaining, if it is an one letter, that is monosyllabic words. All monosyllabic words are formed in different forms of adjectives by adding er in comparative, by adding est in superlative. You see, positive, comparative, superlative. Cool, cooler, coolest. Okay. Few, fewer, fewest. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Much, more, most. You see, friends, actually, what we have discussed, the words are monosyllabics. Tall. Here only we have one all. Tall. If you write in Telugu, tall. Talk dirgham, pollu. You remove pull letter. Only tha. So it is a monosyllabic word. Big. Big. If you write in Telugu, bagudi bi, ig. If you remove the letter, full letter, then B is there. So, these are all monosyllabic words. In monosyllabic words, we have to use ER in comparative, EST in superlative. Whether it is monosyllabic or disyllabic, if a word ends with E, then we need not add ER and EST. Suppose a word ends with E, it takes R in comparative, ST in superlative. You see. Okay, large. What is the ending letter? E. Good. So, R is added in comparative, ST is added in superlative. Another example, cute, cuter, cutest. Here you see, the last letter is E. So, R is added in comparative, EST added in superlative. Then you go for, if you take Y as the ending letter, we have to frame two rules. One is, if it is preceded by vowel, we write ER in comparative, EST in superlative. If it is preceded by consonant, Y is replaced in comparative, IER, IEST in superlative. You see, this is the rule 3. A word which ends with Y, it takes IER, IEST if it is preceded with consonant. You see, mighty, here the last letter is Y. Before Y, T is a consonant. That's why Y is replaced in comparative, IER, Y is replaced in superlative, IEST. Then another example, happy. Similarly, happier, happiest. Rule number 4. If a word ends with Y, having a vowel as a preceding letter, then Y sustained the same and ER and EST added in respect to comparative and superlative. Gay, gayer, gayest. Next, rule number 5. A word which has more than one letter, more than one syllable, they may be ended with IV, OUS, ING, ABLE, IBLE, FUL, ED. Yes, these are polysyllabic words. Of course, if you have such a suffixes, they are formed as a comparative with more, superlative with most. Okay? You see, beautiful. More beautiful, most beautiful. This is a polysyllabic, beautiful. There are 3 syllables in the word. So polysyllabic words are formed by adding more in comparative, adding most in superlative. Another example. Terrible, more terrible, most terrible. Okay? Terrible, more terrible, most terrible. Talented, more talented, and most talented. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Students, you observe. Final, FUL is the suffix, IBL is the suffix, ED is the suffix, OUS is the suffix. If a word ends with like a suffix as, we feel that are polysyllabic words, we get comparative form by adding more, superlative form by adding most. Now you see, rule number 6. For example, you see, good, better, best. Don't say good or goodest. Good, better, best. Similarly, bad, worse, worst. This is also bad, worse, worst. Okay? Far, farther, farthest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. You see, there may be monosyllabic or disyllabic. That's not criteria. So in this way, we have different forms of adjectives in comparison of with the nouns. Okay? Now you can see. Here, the structure of superlative degree. How is the superlative degree? Superlative degree, we have to use superlative form, but it should be preceded with article the, definite article the. If superlative form is preceded with the, that is superlative degree. Here subject plus verb plus the plus superlative adjective. That is the form of, for example, Mohan is the best speaker in the class. The best. You know, good, better, best. It is the superlative form. Highest degree. So, the is preceded. Next, the structure of comparative form. You see, the structure of comparative form. Subject plus verb. Sometimes it's formed by er, or sometimes if it is a polysyllabic word, it takes more. Er or more. After comparative form, we should have than. The structure of positive degree. Generally, positive degree, the positive form of adjective is arrested by as or so as. If it is negative, we use so as. If it is a positive, we use as. For example, she is not so tall as her brother. You see, not, it's a negative. That tall is arrested by so and as. Okay. These are the 3 degrees of comparison. Forms and structures are given. Now, we are going to do some examples from the textbook. Here you see, identify the following degrees. My house is bigger than yours. Friends, you see, my house is bigger than yours. Here you see, than. Than is in comparative. That's why that sentence belongs to the comparative degree. And also bigger is a comparative form of adjective. Big, bigger, biggest. Positive is bigger. biggest. Next, the Pacific Ocean is deeper than Arctic Ocean. Here is also than. So it is a comparative. Deeper, deepest. So it is a comparative degree. The earth is larger than the moon. Here, two objects are compared in 1 and 2 and 3 examples. So here is also largest. Larger is compared to, than is also compared to linker. The Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. The biggest. Biggest. It is the highest degree. So that is superlative. It is preceded with the. So it is a superlative degree. Sheila is the shortest girl in the class. Shortest. Shortest. It is also superlative. And it is preceded with the. So it is a superlative degree. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Here, the highest, you see, the plus highest. It is a superlative degree. Next, we have to fill some blanks are given. Bhama is dash Radha. Students, you see, here two girls, one is Bhama, another is Radha. So, when comparison limited between the two things, we should use comparative structure. That's why prettier than. Bhama is prettier than Radha. We can say this is comparative, than is used. Radha is not so pretty as Bhama. It is a positive. We can write in two ways. Because when comparison is limited to two things, there is no superlative degree. Harish is dash boy in the class. Here in the class means it's a group. Class is more than two people. Group. In group, the word is tall. The adjective form, in the group we have to use superlative form. Harish is the tallest. That tallest is the answer for this. Elephant is dash animal in the forest. He is also, all animals are taken as group. So elephant is the biggest, you see. So it is a superlative degree. Iron is dash cotton. Here iron and cotton, two objects are compared. That's why we shouldn't use any superlative. So we have to use comparative. That's why iron is heavier than cotton. Anantapuram is dash district in Andhra Pradesh. So all districts in Andhra Pradesh taken as a group. So when our group is there, we can write it superlative adjective. Superlative adjective always preceded with the. So Anantapuram is the largest district in Andhra Pradesh. Now you see answers. Prettier than, first one. The tallest, second one. The biggest, third one. Heavier than, fourth one. The largest. Okay, friends. We have these degrees of comparison in class 6th, first and second units. In class 7th, second and third units. There some sentences are given and children are asked to change from one degree to another degree. For that, we have to classify, there are three models. Model 1, the noun which is referred is in the supreme position. That is the model 1. The noun which is taken for comparison with some other equal status. The last one. Two nouns are compared. Here model 1 you see. Here is a small table. There are 30 members in class 6. But the highest heights are measured and recorded. You see Raghu's height is 165 centimeters. Hari's height is 172. Lata's 155. Suresh 168. So the remaining are not taken. Top 5 highest scores are taken. Now you see, who is the tallest boy in the class? According to their height, Hari is the tallest boy. You see, Hari is the tallest boy in the class, the tallest. It is superlative degree, the plus est. We can change the superlative degree into comparative without changing the meaning. Hari is the only person or who is highest height. Now, Hari is taller than any other boy in the class. Taller than any other boy. Taller than. Means here is also Hari got first position. In positive, no other boy in the class is so tall as Hari. No other boy in the class is so tall as Hari. Here, no other is a negative word. That tall is arrested by so and as. So, this in 3 sentences, we got the same sense. This is the model 1. In the model 1, the top chair is given to only one person. In model 2, the top chair is given more than one person. Then, the structure is changed. The plus est superlative in model 1 than any other comparative. No other so as positive. Now see model 2. Model 2. We have measured all the heights of the school. The first 4 members are recorded. Here 172 centimeters height is high. Here 3 people got the same height. If anybody say Hari is the tallest, the remaining 2 will not agree. Kiran is one of the tallest boys in the class, one of the tallest. Because including Kiran, Hari, Kishore, 3 persons have the same height. That's why among the 3, Kiran is one of the tallest boys in the class. In comparative, Kiran is taller than many other boys. If a class has 30 members, 3 members are same. The remaining, they are less than. So they are the more numbers. That's why than many other is given. Very few boys in the class are as tall as Kiran. Very few boys, only 3 persons are the same height. That's why very few is used. So it is a positive structure as. Tall is arrested between as. The first one is a superlative degree. The second one is comparative degree. The third one is positive degree. So the structure of the second model is one of the est, than many other, very few and as. The structures of the first one is the plus est, than any other, no other. Okay, last model. Yes, when comparison is limited to 2 things, there is no superlative degree for this model. If comparison limited to 2 things, we can use this one. Raju is faster than Mahesh. Raju is faster than Mahesh. Here than is there. Fast, faster, fastest. Comparative form and than. So it is comparative degree. Here comparison is between 2 things only, Raju and Mahesh. Then we can write the same thing into positive degree. Mahesh is not so fast as Raju. Here, in the sense Raju is faster. That is the sense. If you take another example. Srinu is not fatter than his brother. Than and fatter. So it is a comparative degree. His brother is as fat as Srinu. Here almost both are equal. Okay. In this way, we can finish the exercise which is given in the textbook.